L-shaped solid object is lying in the first quadrant. We'll see how to draw its front, top and side orthogonal views. So, first draw a horizontal reference line XY. Then a rectangle is drawn above XY line. Next, draw a line at a height of 8 units. The rectangle 1, 2, 4, 3 is the front view of the horizontal L-shaped stem of the object. This is the front orthogonal view of the object. Now, let's construct the top view. As we can see, it is a rectangle of dimensions L by W. We extend vertical projectors below line XY. Then a line 9, 10 is drawn below and parallel to the reference line XY. Next, draw the lines 9, 3 and 10, 4 equal to the length L and join line 4. This rectangle is the required top view. Now, the object is from the left side. So, we can see the L-shaped image on the auxiliary plane. This view appears adjacent and to the right of front view. First, draw a vertical reference line MN which intersects the line XY at point P. From point P, a construction line is drawn, inclined at 45 degrees in the fourth quadrant. This line is used for transferring distances across different views. Now, draw projectors from the corner points of the top view to meet this inclined line at 10 dash, 12 dash and 4 dash. Next, from front view, draw horizontal projectors parallel to the line XY. From points 10 dash, 12 dash and 4 dash, vertical projectors are drawn upwards in these horizontal projectors. Join intersecting points to form the side view. This is the complete set of orthogonal views of this object. Finally, draw the first angle projection symbol at the right bottom corner.